Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. My name is Devarshika and today I am going to talk about management commitment and leadership in psychological health in ISO 45003. Management commitment and leadership are at the heart of successfully implementing ISO 45003, which focuses on managing psychological health and safety in the workplace. Let's dive into the key elements of leadership's role in fostering a mentally healthy work environment. Leadership as a role model. First, leadership must act as role models for promoting mental health. This means demonstrating behaviors that prioritize psychological well-being, such as fostering open communication, supporting work-life balance, and reducing workplace stress. When leaders show they care about mental health, it sets the tone for the entire organization. Integration into business strategy. Leadership must ensure that mental health and psychosocial risk management are integrated into the organization's core strategy. This means that mental health should not be an afterthought but a key component of the company's overall health and safety objectives. By embedding these practices into the business strategy, leaders show long-term commitment to employee well-being, clear vision, and accountability. It's essential for management to establish a clear vision and define responsibilities for managing psychological health. Leaders should set objectives, allocate resources, and hold themselves accountable for creating a mentally healthy work environment. This includes assessing clear roles to teams responsible for monitoring and improving mental health practices. Fostering a supportive culture. Management must create a supportive culture where employees feel safe discussing mental health concerns. This involves breaking down the stigma surrounding mental health and ensuring that support systems such as employee assistance programs or mental health training are accessible to everyone. Open communication. Effective communication is key. Leaders should encourage open discussions about mental health, listen to employee concerns, and act on feedback. By keeping channels of communication open, leaders can address psychosocial risks early and take preventive measures. Continuous improvement and training. Management must also be committed to continuous improvement. This includes regularly reviewing mental health policies, conducting assessments, and adapting to changing workplace conditions. Additionally, providing ongoing training to leaders, managers, and employees ensures that everyone is equipped with the tools to manage and support psychological health. Ethical leadership. Finally, leadership must take ethical responsibility for the mental health of their workforce. This means going beyond compliance with the regulations and focusing on the ethical implications of workplace practices. Leaders who act ethically prioritize the long-term well-being of their employees, creating a healthier and more sustainable workplace. In conclusion, management commitment and leadership are crucial in driving the successful implementation of ISO 45003. By prioritizing psychological health, leaders not only improve the well-being of their workforce, but also enhance productivity, engagement, and overall organizational success. Thank you for watching this video and joining us today. If you have any question related to this ISO, please ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Also, stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, we are going to talk about developing our psychosocial risk management policy. Till then, take care.